My wife has made it clear to me that I'm allowed to have any opinion I want about the Arab-Israeli conflict, but no opinions at home on any issue whatsoever. So, and that's the way I live, and that's why I've been married a very long time. And the Jew haters. Israel. The Bible is our property deed to this land. The world should be supporting Israel. There's never been a state of Palestine. We should make that clear. There's no Palestinian kings or Palestinian queens. There is no longer an occupation. I see my time is running out already. Israel, it is mentioned 700 times in the Jewish holy books. I had so much more to say, which would have been so fascinating. We crucified and murdered Jesus. The entire world is wrong about the Israeli situation, and we Jews are right. Thank you very, very much.